Child sits and counts the days to Christmas. Pretty lights are perched up on the tree. The contents of that box are perfect mystery. The day will soon become a lifelong memory. Grandpa, he is seated at the table. He thinks about a time that used to be, the day he rolled that Thunderbird and fell down to his knees. Grandpa spent a lifetime building lifelong memories. And if Grandpa were around today, I wonder what he'd say. Take it with a grain of salt, a little step each day. Learn from all the places that you've been, and make up many worthy years and lifelong memories. People travel through this world like leaves that fall from branches. Think of how we came to be, what really were the chances to get to taste the honey and to drink the fragrant wine. We should really count ourselves lucky to be alive. And if it seems that life is bringing nothing more than pain, take it with a grain of salt, a little step each day. Learn from all the places that you've been, and make up many worthy years and lifelong memories. The little child is all grown up with lifelong memories.